Evening to everybody. Today we will switch over to the remaining area of yesterday, that is typical or ideal features of new social movements. The new social movements are classified into three categories. One is trans culture, second one is transnational, third one is trans political. Like other areas, NSM is also having some issues, challenges or the problems. What are those? We will discuss one after another. One is disarmament, second one is need peace, third one is nuclear pollution, fourth one is human rights. With the help of that we will minimize the nuclear problems. And then environment, ecology and nuclear war. Last one is defense. Defense is appeared in three ways. One is space, second one is water, third one is earth. We selected the earth, that is the military. The NSM is also abandoned industrial workers model as well as political model. There is also some exceptions for something. Example, German green roots. The NSM is also evolved from green roots political, initiative green roots actions, small or micro social movements, finally struggle for local issues. Mr. Cohen said the NSM was focused on only civil society. Simply they ignored the economy and state, which is very essential for the development of the progress of a nation. The NSM is having the very qualitative prime features. What are those? Particularly self-limitation or self-limiting features. It appears in four forms or four scenes or four phases. One after another we will discuss. The actors in new social movements do not worry, do not go for struggle in order to return to the non-separation communities of past. Past word is important. Second one, the actors in the new social movements are striving or struggling for autonomy, materialistic pluralism and non-materialistic pluralism. Instead of that we can use the word cultural pluralism and differences, but with some conditions, without rejecting the egalitarian principle, that is the equality of principle, where it is in the parliament, in the democratic form, political participation, political representation. The actors in that NSM is consciously put their effort in order to learn something from past experiences and also relativize the values based on the rationalism. And finally they accepted, they means the NSM accepted, that is actors accepted formal existing markets. Formal means rules and regulations, and also legitimacy of state. Once again we will review. The new social movements are categorized into three categories. One is transnational, transcultural, transpolitical. This new social movement is also having some issues. One is disarmament, need peace, nuclear pollution, demand for the human rights, protect the environment and also ecology, and last but one, that is the nuclear war. The final one is defense. Defense appears in three forms: water, land, space. We focused our light only on the land, that is military. This NSM is discarded industrial workers model as well as political model, whether lack of knowledge or disinterested, or it may not useful in their mind, that we are not aware of that. And there is an exception for few areas, that is German green roots. The NSM was evolved from green roots politics, initiative, green roots actions, and small or micro social movements, and worried and struggle for local issues. The Cohen illustrated like this: the NSM was focused its light only on civil society instead of economy and state. Economy is very important. To control the economy, state is also important. So these two features, they simply ignored it for the development of the society. And in NSM, there is a very prime and important qualitative feature is there, that is self-limitation or self-limiting factor, which appears in the 4 scenes or 4 phases. We will discuss one after another. The first one is the actors in the NSM do not worry or struggle in order to return to the non-separation communities of past. Past is important. And again the actors in NSM struggle for in order to get the autonomy and to attain the pluralism, may be materialistic or non-materialistic, or finally we can use the word cultural pluralism, and differences. How? Without rejecting the egalitarian principle. What does it mean? Equality principle. Next, where in democracy, in parliament, political participation and political representation. Again, the actors in social movements are consciously put their effort in order to learn something from the past experiences as well as relativize the values of past through the reasoning activity, reasoning action, reasoning pattern. And finally, either actors or NSM is accepted, formal existence of markets and legitimacy of state. By this, our lecture is completed. Please go through the video first for the comprehensive knowledge and then go for the shorts. Why? Because sometimes out of hurry in the shorts I may miss you. But leisurely when I am taking the video, you can catch all the points. That is my intention. This is Bindu taking leave from YouTube platform. Please do like, share and subscribe it.